Welcome guys, this video I will show you how you can win your combo combat tokens daily 5 millions. So let's try. First of all, here you see and open the derivatives from your first market section, and I will try my second combo card from in the PR theme section. So let's try. Here you see here the second one option is blocked. So first of all, we have to open the anonymous level to 7. So first of all, I will try this to 7 level, and then my second card will be confirm will be there on the blocking species accounts. Oh, that's nice. I have find another second combo cards. So let's try on the legal section the third card ones. So here I will try here the license something. No. Let's try here. You see uh, anti money laundering. Let's try this legal opinion. Oh no, I cannot find. So let's try another one. So here I have find another third combo cards. So guys, I have won the 5 million tokens. So here my total balance is 8 million. Thank you guys.